by and take a look at the 2019 Discovery. The Discovery is a mid-sized SUV with true off-road capabilities from the British car maker Land Rover. This 5-door SUV will take you through town with ease and allow you comfort and security in extreme driving conditions, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.